Hello everyone. I got my fabric bundle in from Amor, and I think it's Fabriques. Her name is Selena here on YouTube. And this is a $14 kit. Look at this. Isn't it pretty? So all this yumminess. You get these 3 big buttons. I guess it may help if I put some light on the subject, huh? Yeah, it's a little better. 3 nice buttons here. I like this, really like that one. Then you have this little square rectangle of lace. And you have this applique here. I like this a lot. I'm already picturing a shabby chic lamp with this kit. We have this little section here. Another applique from a bridal gown. Very pretty. Love all the beading on it. Ooh. Love this color. I think it's dyed. I'm not sure, but it looks like it. If it is, it's an excellent job. Wow. Now it doesn't smell like it is. We have this section. I like that. I like that lace in there. Section of doily. The flower on it. I'm definitely going to use this one for a lamp. I have to determine which size lamp I can make. Oh, here. This looks like the slip part or the underneath part to a bridal gown. Another section of doily. Oh, you guys know how much I love these. I am addicted to these. So we have 3 of the small ones and 1 medium-sized one. Oh, wow. Oh, I don't know if this will go around one of my large ones or not, but I'm going to give it a try. I have to do a video and show you guys using this to make the lamp. Ooh, pretty. Ooh, that would definitely cover the outside of the bottle. Looks like I do it, layer it. Nice. Sequins. See the sparkle? Two pieces of this. So cool. I love seeing all the different laces and things that people can get in different parts of the country because it's hard to come by here. Every time I make a road trip, I stop and get lace everywhere. This is very cute. This is so feminine, dainty, perfect. Perfect to go around the neck of the bottle. Absolutely perfect. Yeah, this is definitely going on a lamp. No 2 ways about it. I have to shabby up a lamp with this. Oh wow, there's a bigger piece of it. There's very much of this in here. Woohoo! Check this bad boy out. It's a pretty good piece. I love these patterns. So for $14, you can't go wrong. I mean, I know for a fact I'm going to get a very lovely lamp out of this kit and only have to add a few little things to it. So, I think I will be a return customer. Oh, I know I will. I love it. Thank you, Selena. It's beautiful. And, you know, everybody I tell, the camera never does justice for things. If you're looking at somebody's kit and you want to buy it, trust your gut instinct, because the camera does not do justice, and I know mine is not doing justice. Show how pretty this is. So it's Amor Fabiques. It's Fabrique's, and she's here on YouTube. Okay, I'll see you soon. Bye bye.